Let's talk about terms, parameter and argument. They can be mixed in certain material, but actually, usually parameter is the name of this variable in function definition. So currently the name here is parameter, and argument is the value passed into this parameter. So yeah, currently the ago here is argument and the name here is parameter. Although in some cases here this one can be pointed as argument and this one might be pointed as parameter, but in our course we try to differentiate those two. Let's see how well we do. So basically the parameter or parameters are initialized with the values of the arguments, as happened here. So if I pass here ago, the parameter name is initialized with the value ago. So basically the same example, instead of ago there is another name. But what happens is the same, that Mary here is the argument and the name is parameter. Yes.